Hello guys, I am Vinay Pandey, VKP, Master Teacher in Vedantu, and we shall solve this question 18 of JEE Advanced 2020 Paper-1 Chemistry, and it is a numerical type question, and it's a kind of subjective question where you have to find some, final answer will be some number. Question says, in the following reaction, compound Q is obtained from compound P via an ionic intermediate. Okay? Concentrated H2SO4, it is treated with concentrated H2SO4 and then you get Q, which is a colored compound. Okay, what is the degree of unsaturation of Q? Very classic question, very good question. Let us solve this question. Okay, let us solve this question. Actually, this question is like this. The structure is like this. You are having pH, and pH, and here you have CO and OMe, right? Now, and this is also of course benzene ring. Now you are treating it with H2SO4 concentrated, which will give H plus. H plus gets protonated here on this ester oxygen. So what you get is C double bond O, OH plus Me, and this pH, there are 3 phenyl rings attached to this. Now this MeOH will go, and after removal of methanol, you are left with this intermediate, which they are saying that it is an ionic intermediate like this. This is the ionic intermediate. Now this ionic intermediate is actually a carbocation, and carbocation is playing the role of an electrophile, and where the electrophile will attack on some nucleophile or some electron rich species, and electron rich species is a phenyl which is adjacent, so it will attack here. Okay, we say that electrophile attacks, and but by the curly arrow we actually show the movement of electron. So see, now this C double bond O already attacked on phenyl ring of the adjacent position, and you are actually getting this kind of a substance, right? This is carbocation formed, and this ring has lost its aromaticity, but after firing H plus it will actually retain the aromaticity, right? After firing H plus it will actually retain the aromaticity, and this, guys, is going to be the final product. This is a very classic question, very nice question. It is having hydrolysis of ester along with EASR, electrophilic aromatic substitution on benzene ring, and this is very classical question in that regard. And this aromaticity is retained along with this formation of the ring, and now they are asking, this is the final product Q, and they are asking what is the DU of Q. So DU, let us calculate the DU. For this phenyl ring, DU is 4, for this phenyl ring 4, so 8, for this it is 12, this is 16 and 17, and this is a pi bond, so total DU of the final product is 18. So our answer for this question is DU of the compound Q will be 18. Okay, very nice question.